right, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something crazy in store for you. This is a Turbo 400 Challenger Hellcat. Tell them about what's done to it, Kevin.
There's an upper, lower pulley, E85. I got a nice box, and I had this bad boy in here.
Turbo 400. So right now it's only on a 285 upper, right?
Yeah, 285 upper.
So usually he runs a 255, but they were just in Houston at TX2K with us, so he upped the pulley to a 285, just because it'll be making a lot more boost down at sea level.
Yeah.
So what's the horsepower estimate on the 255?
255, it pushed back home. It pushed 950.
So 950 in Denver, mile above sea level on a 255. So he's gonna put that back on and get it retuned with the Turbo 400 with the 255. But today we're on just the 285. So you guys are lucky. I've never ridden in a Turbo 400 Hellcat, that's for damn sure. I think there's only what, 3 running around? It's Brian, Bill Gamble, and you. Yeah, I think are the only 3.
There's another guy just got
There's another guy?
Yeah,
is it Mark?
It was a Scat Pack.
Scat Pack, okay. Oh yeah, JR Scat Pack. Yeah. He has a Turbo 400 also. So this is really rare, but he had the 6-speed in here, the Tremec 6-speed, and it didn't last but what, a couple days? Yeah, a couple days. So right after he tuned it, it only lasted a couple days. So he reached out to me and I recommended he do the Turbo 400. The only thing is with these cars, not that many people have done them, so it's kind of uncharted territory, but I think when he turns up the power and they lift the shift point up a little bit higher, it's gonna work out for him. So we're gonna give you guys a couple pulls in this badass car, and I'm really interested to see how this thing does.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we just got cut off. Different because it just keeps going. That's freaking awesome. Man, I miss my Hellcat. Damn, that shit pulls good. That's awesome. It's so different, man. So yeah, he said it feels a little slower because yeah, we're at elevation. He was in Houston all week. He got the good air all weekend. All right, Dave is in the building here driving the Turbo 400 Hellcat. This is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
I've ridden in a Turbo 400 car, but never actually drove one, so this will be...
Sorry, I have to open up the center.
Oh my gosh. This will be quite interesting for Dave. Mic's on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we won't go too crazy because it's not my car, and I'm not super familiar with the Turbo 400, so...
We shall see what happens.
I don't want to be breaking shit. But huge shout out, Kevin let me drive. Boy, you got some balls!
What?
Also, this Turbo 400 is down. You can choose how you want them. You can do up or down. This one's a down. Okay, that's second. Hey, I missed mine. Oh shoot, I missed mine. Oh, I miss having this shit.
Oh man.
It's just so much fun because the power is just right there all the time with the supercharger. Like when my car is turbo, not to start talking about my car, but when it's turbo, it's gonna be so laggy. Like the power is just instant with this thing. So awesome.
All right, we're gonna trade in the Mustang tomorrow. We're getting another Hellcat.
Kevin, if you ever want to sell yours, I'll buy it because it's got a Turbo 400 already in it.
Gotta go under the tunnel.
Oh, yeah. Damn, I missed that. That's so awesome.
Smell it.
Get that crew, come on.
All right, what's the Instagram? What's the crew?
NSR underscore crew.
You don't even know your own crew's Instagram?
I get him all nervous when he gets on camera.
So he's got the whole NASCAR squad over here. There's one of them hiding back there too.
We're better than NASCAR.
Woo! But yeah, that's their Instagram, NSR underscore crew. Follow him on Instagram. He's got some huge plans for this thing. It looks good. What's next for it?
Nitrous.
Woo! He ain't fucking around. Hey man, get your ass out of there! What the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to get out this bitch.
When you still gotta sneak out of your parents' house at night?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was so awesome. Huge shout out to Kevin and his friends for coming out. Easy, Eric, dang. Huge shout out to them for coming out. They had a long drive, but he was willing to stop in Amarillo and unload the car and take it for a spin with me. And then he actually let me drive it. You're crazy, Kevin. But it was actually super awesome to finally drive a Turbo 400 car and it being a Hellcat. His Hellcat is super clean. It actually has my old Bogart wheels on the back, but he's a baller and bought the matching front ones, unlike myself when I had the Bogarts. But his car is super clean. Make sure you follow his crew at NSR underscore racing. Pretty sure that's what it was. And someone's honking at us. I don't know why.
Because I didn't use my blinker.
What? You didn't use your blinker?
I know, I'm a villain.
I'm about to call my mama.
What?
So huge shout out to Kevin. Hopefully you guys have a safe drive back to Colorado, and I can't wait to see what he does with this car. You ready to close this out?
Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39.
Wait, your Instagram's VanV39?
Yeah, you didn't know? I'm the one that...
Whoa!
I ran your account.
You wish. So huge shout out to you guys for coming out. Drive safe back to Colorado. We got tons of crazy videos coming out this week.
We got
I got a long reach. We'll see you guys on the next one. No.